by its weight, $1.99 per pound. They rotate the belts every hour with new things to look through. Who knows, you might just find me.
I'm gonna beat up. Nothing crazy. Is that part? I don't know. I felt like I sold that before. Oh.
FROSTY!
Let's go. You don't see them that big.
Hey!
Alright. That's a weird tape. Got red spools. Yo, what is this thing? You stab them, we stuff them. Zombie taxidermy. That's kind of cool. Kinda. What is this? A Frosty book? I've never seen that. That's terrifying. We'll check it out.
How are we doing?
I don't know yet.
Did they rotate any of it?
I don't know. I got here a little late, but I'm seeing some shit I saw yesterday, so I don't know what they're doing. Another Danny Granger auto. Blue mag light. Ooh. This thing, I don't know. Kind of have some hope for that, but not really. I don't know. What? Maybe you find something. How about A big old bread. Ricky.
Be little bitty.
That's kind of cool. I like the old Shell logo. That thing is rough, man. Probably not. Holy, oh my God. What?
My name is Jeff.
Pero yo creo que la caja si no la desaramos, ¿va?
It's kind of cool.
Se me hace... Yo pienso que sí lo agarran eso, porque pues está nuevecito, está limpio, buscamos una caja y lo metemos ahí. Como ahí está.
It's like cut my throat with it. Jeez. Steve, put that on. Hello Kitty. Looks evil as hell. Not the biggest Colts fan, but I still hold a grudge over the Super Bowl, but over the past 20 years I've kind of let it go, but not really. But this is a cool one. It might have a little value. I don't know. Let's see. Somebody's got one up for 30 bucks. I get it. 70, 69. Yeah, that's good. We're good on that. Wilson A2000. Yeah, that thing's cooked. Unfortunately, the A2000 is a really good glove, though. If you find it in good condition, it's like $100 bucks. Good God. What was that? Hey.
Daddy, chill.
Boobies.
Oh. Tito's. Got the Tito sign. Quarter. Oh my gosh.
I like turtles.
There's one. Make sure.
So I made her the queen of my friends. Hey, will you give me that big boy right yonder?
Oh, he's cool. Ugh. Very nice.
It's a newer one.
Yeah.
You know, the big boy was actually the very first item Funko ever made.
Really?
Yep.
Good old Funko. You want a Tito sign? kind of, yeah, it's cool. Yep.
What?
All right, y'all, we got out of there spending $8.52. Overall, not a very fun day. Nobody really showed up. Bryce wasn't here. I was a little bummed about that, so I'm gonna have to give him a good what for when I see him next time. But we got a couple things. I'm gonna go over them real quick. We did grab that Chase variant neon Gilman Frosty. Got to make sure that I have a power adapter for this Sony Blu-ray player, but the last one I sold for $35 plus shipping, complete with the remote and everything. I did end up getting that Colt sign. I thought it was pretty cool, and it looked like somebody had one listed for about 25 or 30 bucks, so it's got some value. We got that PS2 Guitar Hero dongle. I'm pretty sure I just sold one of these for like 30 bucks. We picked up the Simmons remote. It looked like this is anywhere from like 50 to 80 bucks. So that was a nice find. Very boring, but nice. Picked up Venom, Let There Be Carnage. This thing is brand new sealed. The slipcase has some wear and damage, but it is brand new sealed. I think I saw like 10 bucks. And then I did end up picking up that tree topper. It's got a cool look. I got to plug it in, make sure it works, but I don't really know the value of this. It could be anywhere from like 20 to 50, I think. So had to do some more research on that, and hopefully it works out. And that's going to wrap us up here today. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this silly stuff. And until next time, guys, take care and keep the thrift alive.